My name is Dr. Mohammad Ahsan Farooqi. Right now, I am doing my service in the Government Jamia DP College, a Unani medical college, and it's situated just opposite to Charminar. And I have graduated from there itself as a BUMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery, and I have done my PG from there itself, MD, a Doctor of Medicine. And since 1991, I am doing my job. Recently, I am holding the post of the professor and in charge head of the department, Government Jamia DP College, in the PG Department of General Medicine. Here, what we are showing to people in front of the camera is a patient who is suffering with skin diseases as well as cervical spondylosis. And this is the point where we are doing the cupping. Cupping therapy is a hijama. It's also called as hijama. And in hijama, what we do, we apply the cup over the body. And this cup, this is a cup which is being applied. This is having a knob. This is having a knob. And you see, this is a disposable cup being used every time over the patient. And this is a gun. This is a gun where we put this gun over here, like this. Slightly apply the pressure, and put it over the spot or the skin, and just inflate the what you call cup. And you see there is a skin area which is being trapped inside the cup, and this skin area will become pinkish, brownish or blackish, depends upon the toxins which is present in the body. And अभी ये जो टॉक्सिन जो बॉडी के अंदर आएंगे, ये स्किन के अंदर आएंगे और ये स्किन के अंदर जो ब्लैकिश कलर हो जाएगा. और ये जो पेशेंट हैं जो हमने सेलेक्ट किया है, इनका सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलोसिस है. सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलोसिस मीन्स गर्दन की हड्डी में गर्दन के जो बोन्स होते हैं, जैसे सर्वाइकल बोन होते हैं, और सर्वाइकल बोन के अंदर गैप होने की वजह से स्पॉन्डिलोसिस होता है. और ये जो स्किन के मार्क्स देख रहे हैं, यू विल सी हियर द मार्क्स और हियर, दीज आर द मार्क्स. एंड यूजुअली इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द यूथ, यंग एज में ज़्यादातर मौजूद होते हैं. एंड इट वैनिशेस विद इन नो टाइम. And as far as hijama is concerned, I want to show you that this cup is applied for 10 minutes. 10 मिनट हमने कप लगानी है. उसके बाद you pull this knob after 10 minutes and put it a surgical blade over this area and take a small incision over it, and the blood will be let out. Okay, and this process will take almost 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, and it has a different what you call points for all the diseases. For example, this is very important for cervical spondylosis, and this is the area which is responsible for the heart as well as lungs, and this is the area for what you call cardiac disorders such as ischemic heart disease. This is the area for lung diseases, means फेफड़ों के अमराज के लिए this is very important. And this is the area for lumbar disc spaces, D1, D2, D3, and diseases where disc prolapse will be there, and the patient will suffer with the back pain, patient will suffer with the sciatica, and these are the areas where we applied the what you call cups over here. And you see, this is known as the element of the base product. In Urdu, it is called as istifrah. And this all the systems it comes under what you call where we are not using medicine or minimum use of the medicine, and we are doing the treatment with this therapy. This is called as hijama in Urdu or cupping therapy in English. And you see, we are not at all using medicine, okay? And this is a very useful therapy, and where we can remove the toxins from the body very easily. And these are the toxins. अगर आप यहाँ से incision लेते हैं तो you will the blood will come out, and automatically the toxins will be released immediately. And जो toxins जो body से release हो जाते हैं, the patient can share it within 4 weeks. And we have a scheme for each and every disease. For example, in skin diseases, we advise the patient to come once in a week for 4 to 6 weeks. In kidney diseases, we advise the patient to come for once in a week for 8 weeks. In cardiac diseases, we advise the patient to come once in a week for at least 6 weeks. There is what a very important point over here also. This is the one in Urdu. It is called as Hamhadwa, and this is a point which in Urdu it is called as Al-Ras. Al-Ras means head, and these are the points which is very very useful paralysis. And in acute cases of paralysis, when you apply for the cups over the scalp, the patient will be treated immediately, and within 2 to 3 weeks, the patient will find the what you call the complaint subsided, and the patient can walk very easily. It depends upon the what you call severity of the disease. For example, the patient who is suffering with paralysis for last 5 years, and you expect the same result, and then you will not get the same result. In acute cases, if the patient approach within one month, within few days, the patient will get relief easily, और आसानी से हम patient को treat कर सकते हैं, paralysis treat कर सकते हैं. And you see on the front side also, and you see on this side also there are different points. This is very important point. This is called as sternum. This is called as sternum. Bone, this is called known as breastbone. It's very important for stomach as well as heart as well as lungs. Okay, and these are the point for what you call lungs, and this is the point for heart. This is a very important point. This is called as the fifth intercostal space. And it is called as the apex bead space. Okay, and around the umbilicus there are some points. Around the umbilicus. It has been useful in treating what you call abdominal pains, in hernias, and in what you call the abdominal diseases, intestinal worms and intestinal disease, diarrhea and all those things. Okay, in case of infection of the intestinal infection also, it's very useful. In frozen shoulder, you can apply the cup over here, apply the cup over here, or here also. And a lot of patients are suffering with cancer also. In cancer also, you can apply the cup in the back as well as abdomen. In early case of cancer, we are getting good results. But in advanced cases, we may not get the good result because of the involvement of the multiple organ failure. We may not get the good results. So means I suggest for example, in case of thyroid, these are the very important point for thyroid. This is the chin, and under the chin or around on both sides of the neck. This is very important point for the thyroid purpose. And a lot of ladies are suffering in Hyderabad, in AP, in Telangana. A lot of ladies are suffering with thyroid problem, and they are using the what you call other drugs for lifetime purpose. For example, if the person is using antihypertensive, or the person is using diabetic oral hypoglycemic drugs, and for the lifetime, and if they are being treated with this system of medicine, it's very useful. And you see a lot of side effects are there in the other form of medicine, and we can defend the treatment for the side effects. Okay, and that's what ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि मतलब कि हम पेशेंट के मेडिसिन के साइड इफेक्ट से पेशेंट को प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं और पेशेंट के हेल्थ एंड हेल्दी रख सकते हैं. और दिस इज ए ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन. एंड इफ यू have any queries regarding what you call hijama cupping therapy, this is very important. It's a combination. The cupping therapy is a combination of acupressure as well as acupuncture, and the parts which I mentioned is being used as far as the acupressure as well as acupuncture points. Okay, right? A lot of people are suffering with arthritis. Number one, your answer is a lot of people are suffering with arthritis. For the rheumatoid arthritis, a lot of females are suffering. Osteoarthritis, a lot of males and females both are suffering. In case of rheumatoid arthritis, it's an autoimmune disease. Rheumatoid arthritis is autoimmune disease. I would like to explain what you call the definition of auto means self, immune deficiency, immunity and deficiency. That means the body will be deficient of immunity, and autoimmune के माने क्या है, सेल्फली ये इम्यूनिटी को कम करता है, खुद ही से कम होता है, जिसकी वजह से बॉडी के अंदर इन्फेक्शन पैदा होते हैं और बॉडी के अंदर पेन होता है, जिसकी वजह से कहता है कि मतलब कि रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस पैदा होता है, इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ स्मॉल जॉइंट्स एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. राइट. The toxins circulate within the body. Toxins goes to the heart, and from the heart it what you call reaches to the aorta, and from the aorta it circulates to whole body. Okay. अब यहाँ पर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि मतलब कि टॉक्सिन्स को अगर हम अपनी बॉडी से ब्लड से निकालते हैं और कंटिन्यूसली निकालते हैं, तो एक स्टेज ऐसा आएगा कि जहाँ फ्री ऑफ टॉक्सिन्स होगी, एंड एज द बॉडी बिकम फ्री ऑफ टॉक्सिन्स द पेशेंट कैन बी क्यूर्ड. ओके. So all the diseases depends upon the toxins which are present in our body, and it should be removed in a proper way. In all the allopathic line of treatment in rheumatoid arthritis, the doctors use steroid, particularly prednisolone. The brand name is Visolone, and all the doctors used to prescribe all this Visolone, and the Visolone causes increased blood sugar level, decreased immunity. And while boosting the immunity, it reduces the immunity power, and the face become moon shaped face, and the kidney becomes swollen, and the urine excretion becomes very, very, very low, and it depends on GFR. GFR means glomerular filtration rate. It becomes very, very low. That leads to renal failure in one day. Okay. Now, the toxins which is being affected or circulated due to the presence of the steroid in the blood, if it is being removed in a already proper way, in a phase-wise manner, and the steroid should not be stopped immediately. It should be stopped by lowering the dose, tapering the dose. And while tapering the dose of the steroid, we start doing what you call hijama, and at one level what will happen, the body will be free of toxins, and the body will be free of what you call steroid, and at that level we can achieve the goal. Okay, right? And exact, we are not using Unani medicine in particularly almost all the diseases. We take the support of the Unani medicine. So first of all, I would like to tell you, okay, the Unani medicine means herbal medicines. It may be of animal origin, it may be of what you call metallic origin, it may be of herbs, it may be of shrubs, it may be of leaves, it may be flowers, it may be root, it may be bark, whatever it may be. But what one must be very, very careful while using the metals, because it can damage the kidney if it is not properly made. Okay, right? जिसे कहते हैं कुश्ता, जिसे कहते हैं, और कुश्ता कहते हैं भस्म जिसे कहते हैं, और ये भस्म बनाया जाता है मेटल. Now we are taking the support of Unani medicine in the shape of decoctions, and we used to prescribe some few drugs, 6 to 7 drugs, and we make it in formulation in a packet form. We used to advise the patient to take the decoction form of the what you call the bottle, and this bottle is being what you call 30 to 40 grams of what you call medicine is being used, and we have to soak them in the water and boil it next morning and take it in before meals. Okay, right? And other drugs, there are some tablets which is being made, handmade tablets, and there machine made tablets are there. The Maha Yograj Gogol is there, Jograj is there, Suranjan is there, and Khulanjan is there, Buzidan is there, Ashgandh is there. Ashgandh is also called Ashwagandha in Ayurveda. And this is the medicine. This is the compound drug which you are seeing. Lot of what you call this the mundi which is being used, what you call, and these are the roots, these are the seeds, these are the flower, these are the leaves. You see different types of material is being used in one form, and it is roughly grinded and given in the form of what you call packet, and advise the patient to take it as a decoction form, and it's very, very useful to remove the toxins, to maintain the health, to increase the immunity, and to remove the pain from the body and inflammatory findings in the body. It's very, very, very useful. Unani medicine and Ayurvedic medicine, we have coined the idea of preventive techniques. Preventive techniques means using the what you call we have to use some medicine, we have to take some what you call foods, we have to avoid some foods. It's called as parhez, or in Telugu it is called as paithyam. Most possibly paithyam कहते हैं उसे, पथ्यम कहते हैं. So we have coined this idea 3000 years back. Okay, right? But unfortunately, in recent days, almost I can say up to 40 years back, no one is agreed. No, in modern medicine, no one is agreed. They say that in allopathic we don't have any called parez, we don't have any patyam at all. But now each and every hospital is maintaining a dietitian in the hospital, and unless and until dietitian is not there, they are not prescribing the drug. And you see in the renal failure cases, they are giving the what you call a leaflet, which shows that you have to take this medicine, you have to prevent this. आप पालक नहीं खाने का है, टमाटर नहीं खाने का है, स्पैनक जिसे पालक जिसे स्पैनक कहते हैं, टमाटो कहते हैं, and you see गोभी नहीं खाने का. क्यों? These causes what you call increased cholesterol and increased calcium, that may lead to what you call formation of stones, that may lead to renal failure. Okay, for example, in diabetic patient, you have to avoid the direct fruit juices, what you call junk foods, cold drinks, pastries, the bakery items, we have to avoid it. Okay, right? These causes what you call human body के अंदर, अपनी body के अंदर क्या करते हैं, blood sugar को level को बढ़ाते हैं. In cholesterol we have to directly avoid the what you call fatty meals. Cholesterol level जो कि increase होता है fatty meals से, oils increase होता है. And you see, very unfortunately, through this media, I want to say to the common man that we are suffering from the diseases due to the causes which we don't know. The food which we eat are adulterated. The drugs which we take are adulterated. And the ideas which are being coined on the TV and the idiot box is adulterated. And unfortunately, for example, you take the cold drink ad. If I this cold drink, I will become young, I will enthusiastic, I will run just like anything, I will jump just like anything. And unfortunately, that cold drink can do contain 50 grams of sugar. 50 grams of sugar in one can. And how it is possible? The people are making it, what do you call, क्या करते हैं, they cheat कर, they are cheating people, okay, right? And unfortunately, we people take it just to what do you call, to satisfy ourselves. Okay, that leads to what you call diseases. The junk foods. I have coined an idea. I want to show you in front of you that I have coined an idea. SOJA. Soja. Soja means sleep. And what do you stand for? S, sedentary lifestyle. S stand for sedentary lifestyle. O stand for obesity. J stand for junk foods. And A stand for adulteration. If you take this soja, you will sleep forever.